When nights in Boise drop below 50 degrees, stink bugs stop looking for food. They start looking for your house. Mid-September in the Treasure Valley, the clock starts. October is peak invasion month across Boise, Meridian, and Nampa. By then they are not scouting. They are committed. The brown marmorated stink bug is the invasive species driving the pressure. Shield-shaped body, banded antennae, and yes, it earns the name. Green stink bugs and consperse stink bugs are the native Idaho species. Never crush one indoors. That smell is a distress signal. It tells every stink bug outside that this spot is worth investigating. Vacuum with a shop vac and empty the canister outside. The fix is in August. Seal every gap around pipes, wires, and windows. Add weather stripping and door sweeps. Run a barrier treatment on the exterior before they move. Waiting until October is already too late.